What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learning. In today's episode, I will teach you how to change your nickname on Discord. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. First, go to your Discord application, and on this, you can see this is your Discord nickname on a server. And if you want to change that, just go to the server's name right here and click Edit Profile. And right here, you can now change your nickname. So I'm going to change it as Grahams. And right there, as you can see, I already changed my nickname on this server. Keep in mind that this only applies on server you edit it to. If you go to another server, the nickname will be the same. So changing your nickname will only applies to the servers you edit it into. So that's it. That's how you update your nickname on Discord server. And also that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.